What's up guys, today we're going to unbox Pokemon Obsidian Flame booster box, and this is a Charizard chase. So we're looking for $65, it's a full art, the gold 125, and then shiny over here 13, EX is 12, and then we will chase some Pidgeots for 8 and some other awesome full arts. So all the Pidgeots is nice. The biggest chase is Charizards, so we'll see, will we get more than one? That'd be cool to find out. So this is like a display box at the card store, Pokemon store. Let me know in comments below if you want me to go to a Pokemon store and do some trading, or like do like rip till you hit and things like that, because there's a lot of Pokemon stores, trading card stores, like sports card stores, magic stores, whatever, a lot of different stuff. Don't remember the card lineup, we'll find out after this one pack. There goes nothing. Okay, to reverse holla, and right away we have a first shiny hit, EX. Awesome. Let me put that to the side a little bit so we can see some hits. Okay. Alright, the card lineup is perfect, I don't even have to change it up. So we have a lot of packs. We're going to try to fly through them, regular holla, and see what we find. I'll go from one half in a row and then go to the other half. All of the code cards are the same, black border. Okay. Oh, almost missed it. Billy Bolt. Awesome, I'll take that. Okay, 2 hits from like what, 4 packs so far. It's pretty promising. But I'm chasing all the Charizard. I only hit 1 Charizard from Obsidian Flame. Never hit the most valuable one, $65 one. Let's see what we get. Okay, Guitar Trainer, full art. Okay, let's keep on going. Quite a bit of cards in there for sure. It's quite satisfying to open these things. Hopefully you guys enjoying these videos as much as I do opening them. But again, would be awesome to go back to Florida, where I'm at in St. Augustine. There's a lot of card stores that I could film in. Okay, let's keep going. Let's go Charizard. Nope. Another one. Already got this one. Okay. Let me organize a little bit my desk. There's a lot of bulk out here. By the way, if you're wondering what is the bulk worth, most people assume it's nothing, but for 1,000 cards, it's some stores buy $5 to $12, I think. Again, market goes up and down, but again, assuming you will pull out all of the good cards. There's a lot of like regular commons and non-commons that worth 50 cents to $2-3. Okay, you know, knowledge is the like money, I guess, you know, whatever the saying is. And also, but what we are chasing is big hits. Not yet. Definitely will try to make a video selling or trading, I would say. I'm not going to sell them, I trade them for more content. So I'll take it to a Pokemon store, bunch of cards, and trade them. Cliffable EX, sorry for my pronunciation. We'll take it. 3 little hits so far. We need at least like 7 hits on one side, so get like 14-15 hits would be nice. I don't know the hit rate on these boxes, so that'd be good to find out how many like EX or better we will get. That's a good way to finish up collection. But again, I need that Charizard. Yeah, so if I bring all my cards EX or better to a Pokemon store, they'll give me like 70% for it for a trade. If I trade for like other products, whatever they have in store, and if I want to like sell it for cash in a Pokemon card store, I think we have something. Ooh, is it gonna be a big one? Let's find out. If I wanted cash, they'll give me 60%, but trading is better, and I like trading better too. No, just a hollow, because they get to sell other products, so for them it's probably more profitable if we trade, not getting cash, because they get to buy bulk stuff, and if we buy it as soon as they sell it, you know, they kind of profit in both ways. They're not just buying more stuff. So it makes sense why they're giving us 10% more on the cards for the trade. So let me know in comments below if you want to see that. Just like going to a Pokemon store and trading, and like talking to the Pokemon store owners, and maybe they'll explain why they don't buy bulk or why they do buy bulk. Ooh, we got basic energy. That's a good card. What was it, like $4? First gold. Will we get more gold? Awesome. So there you go, first hit. So anyways, thought it'd be a really cool video, and maybe you guys would be interested in that. Maybe I'll go like a really popular. Also, do you want to see me walk around in store before I buy this? I buy it online. Nice, another hit right here. A full out. Like a little hit right here. I don't think it's more than a couple dollars. So go to like Target, Walmart, Walgreens, and show you where I buy this stuff. Booster boxes, most of those have to be online or Pokemon stores. The vintage ones, kind of harder to find. I have to get this booster box in online, I mean on eBay and Amazon. So looks like we got it here, only 5 hits. Wow, pull rates are not very good, but we did get pretty good gold energy card, so we'll take that. But yeah, pull rates are really low. So there you go, nothing. We're going to a second half now, see what we get. Yeah, I do not know how to sell the bulk yet. The Pokemon store that nearby me, they don't buy bulk cards. It's not every store buys bulk card. It just like, you know, depending on the size of the Pokemon store, maybe they just not into doing that. Or I could even sell all that bulk myself. TCG Player is really easy. I don't even have to take picture of it. You just scan it and it's already pre-made picture. Just I guess like add on the quality of the card, like, you know, if it's played, if it's brand new, whatever, mint condition, so on. That's kind of cool as well. That's what the Pokemon stores do. Whenever they buy bulk, most of the time they sell it online, and some in store obviously, but they probably have to sell bulk online. So people Sometimes need 4 of the same cards for their playing deck. So on. I'm telling all that for new people like me that's still learning. A lot of people already know that. Wow, no hits at all so far on this second half. Obsidian Flame. Will we get a Charizard? Come on. I think this is $127 bucks right now, all over the place. The cheapest I found is $125, something like that. Yeah. Wow. I hit a lot of that same column. Wow, pull rates on this box is not the best. You know what's the best pull rates right now that I've been getting at? Is Pokemon 151. It's really popular and pull rates are really good. Look at that. Brutal. But again, all it takes is one little pack to hit that really good card. Let's see. Oh, nice. Melmetal EX. We'll take it. Okay, finally got a hit. Will we have 4 hits in a row back to back? Let's find out. Sometimes it happens when I don't hit for a while. I get a bunch in a row, especially when I do booster boxes and so on. Oh, nice. Pidgeotto. We'll take that. That's a good one. And a Hala. Okay. So this is a back to back. Now, will it be back to back 3 times with the Charizard in here? At least we got 2 top cards right here, the Gold Energy and Pidgeotto. Still nothing. I need to organize my desk a little bit, getting busy up here. There's so many bulk cards. I like it. Easy to open this box. Some of them are so hard to rip open. Okay. Once again, nothing. So far we only had 2 hits in this side. Will we have like at least 10 hits in the booster box? Let's find out. Paradox Reef, the newest set, has like nice another hit. Has like 11 to 15 hits per booster box. That's what I had. So far we're at like what, 7, 8? Now let's find out what we get. So far not one Charizard. Oh man, I'm getting tired of that same card. Let's go. Okay. No hits so far. Okay. 4 more packs left. Let's see what we get. Ooh, there you go. Nice. We got a Charizard EX. Look at that. To me, it looks like he's crushed through the diamond. So, $65 card. This is why we have such a low hit rates, to just get the best card in a set. Awesome. Wow. And there's a back-to-back, another trainer full art. Finally. Will we get anything else back-to-back after Charizard EX? Man, it feels good. Especially when the box like that, super slow. and then it's just that takes one card or one pack to hit good. And we have a really nice comeback. So yeah, sometimes I'd rather get less hits but more valuable cards, because I don't want a bunch of $2 EXs and then it's a really bad hits. Still a hits, but you know what? We got the Charizard. So happy right now. Obsidian Flame, the best one. Love it. And the last pack, nice. We end up close it out with a Charizard EX. We'll take it. But the chase pack, chase card from the pack, from a booster box is right here, and it's a $65 Charizard. There it is. We did it. I cannot believe it. It's like you hope for this stuff, but you know what? Sometimes it hits it. And one more time, 62.50, and one down in value a little bit. I have the gold one, and I'm not sure if I have this one, but I have hidden a couple of times. Let's look to the top cards real quick. Where is that green one? $2. This one, and let's see. I think I have the gold energy 365, and real quickly, let's load more. See, some of those hollows worth $1.70, so it's worth it to go to the bulk. Let's see which ones. Okay, $1.50. We have this one right there. Okay, $1.25. We hit that one first. Okay, $1.18. So we're going to much lower value cards. Hit of the day, hit of the set is the Charizard, $65. Awesome.